So what you're looking at right now is the solid shield of just torrential rains. It is raining so hard that you can't even see the tower. See that little figure sticking out? That is the tower right there, Coney Island, which is actually 10 minutes, 20 minutes walk from here. It's about a mile away. It's completely obscured. We have less than a mile visibility. Torrential rain. That's because of the rain. I mean, just look at it outside right now. I mean, it's just absolutely coming down. I haven't seen a rain this hard actually in almost, I think, a few weeks, maybe even a month. The thing is, we've been kind of getting missed by storms these last few weeks. All the major storms were missing us. Oh, there's a bit of a breeze coming in now. I don't know if you've noticed that, but there's a little bit of a strong breeze coming in. Probably from the thunderstorm, or maybe just it's the wind. But now it's definitely becoming a little breezy outside. The winds were dead still about a minute ago. Now I'm feeling a little bit of a breeze coming in. We went from dead still winds to now the rain's coming down a little sideways. Not like that, but you know, it's not coming down straight. It's coming a little slanted. See how the rain's coming down at an angle like this? That's because the winds are coming from this direction. The wind's blowing this way, but not strongly, but heavy enough that the rain's falling at a bit of an angle. Now it's just absolutely pouring outside. I mean, this is the heaviest rain I've seen in a long, long time. Surprised there's no thunder. I'm shocked. I mean, I checked the lightning data. There's absolutely no lightning with any of these storms. They're low top. They top around 20,000 feet. There's no ice crystals building at the top of these clouds to produce the electric charges between the ice crystals and the water droplets, so you're not having any lightning. If you were a little taller, maybe a few thousand feet taller, maybe 5,000-10,000 feet taller, you'll be getting lightning. This is a pretty intense storm. There was this time about 2 years ago when I was in Florida in 2013. When a really small cell, the tops weren't even iced over. The tops were actually still looked like they were comprised of water vapor. Yet, that tiny little cell, which was so small that I could see under it, I could see the stars under the cloud, or the base of it. The tops of the clouds weren't even over me yet, and I already was seeing the base of the cloud, which looked like it was maybe a mile or two away. And from the base of the cloud, a brilliant flash of lightning came, and about like 2 or 3 seconds later, a tremendous thunderclap hit. I heard a gigantic thunderclap, and it was a very little cell. It missed me. You know how far it was away? About 10 blocks away. That cell was barely noticeable on radar. It was in Florida about, I said 2 years ago, about this time. It was actually around this time. It was actually just to the first week of August when that storm hit. But that morning had a few more thunderstorms that came in. They were coming off the ocean, actually, and they weren't that tall at all. I said they were like maybe 5,000-10,000 feet tall. That's about it. Well, that cloud that produced that lightning was actually about 25,000 feet tall. It was just rising so quickly that not all the cloud had time to cool and condense into ice crystals. So it's still comprised of some water and ice crystals at the top. So there was lightning, though I could hear the rush of the wind and the rain in the distance, yet none of it hit me. I got a little drizzle from it, since we're like right at the edge, but in terms of maximum intensity, it was actually about what we're getting right now. What we did get was a strong gust of wind, about 35 miles per hour that did hit. I'm going to show you the fast clouds that are moving. If I had to estimate the motion of the clouds and the wind speed, they're moving at about 20-25 miles an hour. So there's a steady 25 mile per hour wind about at the base of the clouds. The reason there is no wind at the surface, really, is because the clouds are about 1,000 feet up. Oh, I see clearing right there. I see a little sliver of clearing right there. See? Right there, I see a little sliver of clearing. I see a little blue right there. I see another Huh? Huh?
What they are correct.
So, what you're noticing is I'm saying there's just fast-moving clouds aloft. They're not that high up. I said they're maybe 2,000 feet up. That's one of the reasons they seem to be moving quickly, but they are moving pretty fast. I would say they're moving at 25 miles per hour, which means every 25 mile per hour wind, that's a lot. I'm looking to the left, to the west right now, and I'm already seeing a bit of a clearing coming in. The sky's looking a little pink, which means that it's about to stop raining in about 10 or 15 minutes. Yeah, we're still socked in like a solid shield of heavy rain right now. There's going to be some pretty severe thunderstorms this afternoon. I assure you, we're going to have violent thunderstorms this afternoon. Strong damaging winds, torrential rains, lightning, thunder. I don't know if my area is going to get it, but the general area is under the gun for some violent thunderstorms this afternoon. Why? Because of all the humidity. Yesterday we had a high of 94 degrees. Today we're expecting highs around 87, 88. And if we exceed those temperatures, if we exceed 90 degrees today, we could get even stronger thunderstorms than forecasted, because the forecasted temperature is 88, and already the computer models are forecasting some pretty intense storms. That check the models, we're definitely going to get storms. Well, thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye.